Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad with eggs and mayonnaise Jamaican style. Boil 5 pounds of potatoes until fork tender, then cool and cube them. Peel and chop 3 hard-boiled eggs and fold them into 1 cup mayonnaise with 2 chopped scallions, a pinch of thyme, and a squeeze of lime. Mix gently, season to taste, and chill before serving for best flavor. Begin with clean workspace and messy end place so everything is ready. Peel and dice potatoes into uniform 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Cover with cold water and bring to a gentle boil, then simmer until tender but not falling apart. Drain and let them steam dry briefly to remove excess moisture. Transfer warm potatoes to a bowl so they absorb flavors from the dressing more easily. Make a creamy dressing by whisking 1 cup mayonnaise with 1 teaspoon mustard and a splash of lime juice. Gently fold in the chopped eggs and scallions, then add minced Scotch bonnet a little at a time until you reach desired heat. Tear fresh thyme leaves for an aromatic lift and season with salt and black pepper. Taste and tweak the balance, then chill the salad so flavors meld before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.